Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 11.2, question number 4, chapter construction. So what is given in the question? Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Firstly, I am going to explain what we want to calculate and how we construct this. I am going to draw a rough diagram for this. So in the question what they are saying, draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm. So we need a circle of radius 5 cm first. So I am going to draw a circle of radius 5 cm. This is my rough diagram. So from this circle, this is just a rough diagram. So because I want to calculate the angles, so the two pair of tangents must be there. So it can be like that. What they are saying, the angle between the two tangents, these are the two tangents to this circle, this angle must be 60 degree. And we have done the theorem that the radius and the tangent are having the angle with the point of contact is equals to 90 degree. So this is also 90 degree. This is a kind of a quadrilateral. If I am taking this figure, this is O. If I am taking this as O, this as T, and this as S, this as P, then O, P, S, T. This is a quadrilateral with the four side, and the sum of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 90 plus this 90 plus this 60 plus this angle, take this angle as small x. X is equals to 360 degree. So it will be 240, 90 plus 90 180, 180 plus 60 240 plus x equal to 360. So x equal to 360 minus 240, that is equals to 120 degree. It is very difficult to draw angle 60 here, because if I don't know the angle x, so every time if you want to calculate, if you want to construct the pair of tangent which are inclined to some angle, you have to calculate the angle at the center. So it is 120 degree. So what will you do? You will start your question with the circle and the two radius, and then draw the angle of 120 here, and again another radius and two perpendicular. This angle, we will get this angle automatically equal to 60 degree. So for this I am going to start my construction. So it is like that. Firstly, I want a circle of radius 5 cm. So I am going to draw my circle of radius exactly 5 cm. Yes, this is my compass with the radius 5 cm. This is a circle of radius 5 cm. Now in this question, mark this as O with center O, and the radius is 5 cm. Draw any radius, you can take any radius, you can draw it like that, you can draw it like that. Now we have to construct angle of 120 degree here. Angle this, give it the name as T, as I have taken in my rough figure, and angle of 120 we have to draw. So for angle of 120, what I am going to do, I am going to take my compass like this, and it is very easy to mark the angle with the help of a protractor, but I am going to make it with the compass. So it is like that. Open your compass and draw an arc of suitable radius, and again initial cut the arc, and this angle is of 60 degree and this is of 120 degree. Now what you are going to do, I am going to mark a line through these two intersection, and the center, I am going to join the center and this line with the circumference of the circle. So I am getting a new point, give the name as R. So I am going to draw now a tangent, two tangents which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So for this I am going to draw a 90 degree angle here at point R. Now I am going to make the angle of 90 degree at here at point R and at point T. So for this I am going to draw an arc with a suitable radius, and from this point mark this arc, and again mark again one more arc, and for 90 degree draw another two arcs like that. So it must be like that. For this take the help of ruler. Must be like that. Extend it. This is the angle of 90 degree. Similarly mark an angle of 90 degree here at this point. For this draw an arc. Now join the point of contact and now join the point of contact through this arc to that point. You can check this is the 90 degree angle, and now I can see, you can check that this is the 60 degree angle and this is exactly 60 degree, and this is 120, this is 90 degree angle, this is 90 degree angle, and this is 60 degree angle, and this is my justification also by measuring it. So I can write it here, PT take this point as P, PR and PT are the two required tangents. PR and PT are two required tangents such that angle RPT, or you can say angle TPR, is equals to 60 degree. And this was the construction of question number 4, and wait for my next video for the further question number 5. Thank you very much.